Music. Welcome to my Cogeco Internet Review. Links to plans and services are below. In this video, I'll cover Cogeco's offerings, key features, who it's best for, and my personal experience. Cogeco is a popular internet provider in Ontario and Quebec known for high speeds and reliable service. They offer plans from 30 megabits per second up to a gig, catering to everyone from casual browsers to hardcore gamers. Cogeco's hybrid fiber network maintains consistent speeds, even at peak times. Most plans boast unlimited data, essential for families, remote workers, and entertainment lovers. Optional Wi-Fi pods boost coverage in larger homes. Their app offers user-friendly network control, including parental controls and device prioritization. My Cogeco experience was positive. Installation was seamless, and speeds remained stable for 4K streaming, video calls, and gaming. Customer support was responsive, though wait times could sometimes be long. One drawback is Cogeco's limited service area within Ontario and Quebec. Also, mid-range plan pricing can be a bit higher than competitors, though the reliability and features often justify it. If you're in their service area and need reliable internet with flexible options, Cogeco is worth considering. Check the links below for details, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.